Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I would like to talk about Aluc Service, a malicious service you may have noticed in your task manager. In this video, I will explain why it is malicious, where it came from, and how to remove it from your system. First and foremost, let's sort out its status. None of the non-legitimate programs create or use Aluc Service. Windows locks one as well, so it cannot be a system process. These facts are accompanied by the fact that by user reports, Aluc creates significant CPU load, over 50 or 60%. It is a typical behavior of coin miner malware. Such malware exploits your hardware, particularly the processor, to mine cryptocurrencies. As this process requires a lot of calculation power, be ready to see 60 to 80% of your CPU loaded with a single task. Even though using CPU for this task is not optimal and GPU mining is much more efficient performance-wise, it is profitable for hackers who establish huge networks that consist of hundreds of infected PCs that are connected to a single mining pool. Additionally, they opt for cryptocurrencies with simplified blockchain models like Monero or Dogecoin. This allows to additionally speed up the mining process. But why a service? People used to see a strange executable file taking a lot of CPU power when we talk about miners, and that is actually the reason. Hackers simply choose a better disguise, as it will take some time to understand that Aluc service is not something legitimate. Additionally, by using a service instead of an executable file, crooks provide themselves with a better persistence in the infected system. It is possible to protect the service in a way that any attempts of its manual seizure will cause blue screen of death. Thus, it is not the best option to perform manual removal. Now, let's find out how this malware appeared. Most of the time, coin miners infiltrate as a part of cracked software. Another popular way is through dropper malware that is already active on your computer. Droppers are stealthy malware that function with only one purpose: malware delivery. You can get infected with one through an email spam link, fake program installer, or the like. If you recently interacted with a thing like what I've mentioned and shown on the video, be sure that Aluc service did not appear out of nowhere. Well, now let's discuss the removal process. As I just mentioned, malware gains persistence as a Windows service, which makes it quite hard to remove it manually. Even by finding the malware and removing it, you have no guarantee that this was the last malicious thing you can have in your system. I recommend using Soft anti-malware for scanning and removing all the pests from your system. I'll put the download link to the description. Before using Soft anti-malware, I also recommend switching the system to the safe mode with networking. It restricts non-system processes from starting upon the system startup, so the malicious miner will not overload the system. With that being said and done, let's start the scan. I recommend using a full scan, as it will check the most remote areas of your disks. It may take up to 10 minutes, but you will be sure nothing is missed. As you can see, it already detected the pest, so let's give it a bit more time to finish. Well, now the scan is over. Click Clean Now to wipe all the detected items all at once. This may also take some time when there are a whole lot of detections. And now the system is clean of any malicious items. Good luck and stay safe online.